Good Tuesday morning. I hope you're having a great start to the day. We continue with our triple digits. We got all the way to 106 yesterday, and that's where we're at today. So an excessive heat warning has been issued for much of the region. We are 10 degrees now above that norm of 96, but at least we're not breaking records. The record all the way up to 112. So either way, yes, we know it's hot and it can be dangerous if you're outdoors, and our fire danger continues to stay extreme for most of us because a lot of areas in a big time deficit, more than a 4-inch deficit in Fort Worth, and even DFW Airport now 0.8 below norm. The only location in one of our bigger airports, Love Field, still has a ½ inch surplus, but I don't think that's going to last much longer because we don't have significant rain in this forecast anytime soon. And our area lakes obviously have lost a bit compared to this time last week. Most spots have dropped about a ½ foot. So for now, just Texoma is just above conservation pool, but everyone else is below, and we'll continue to see these numbers unfortunately go in the wrong direction. A lot of folks are like, we know it's August, it's hot, but when are we going to have a change? No time soon. And honestly, through the end of the month, I think triples are a good bet for most of us. And typically, we don't get a real cold front until that third week of September. So we have a whole lot of time here with this heat and this overall pattern not changing, at least for the next 10 to 14 days. This ridge is very close nearby. So today, tomorrow is that hot heat where we are hottest temperatures of the summer, which has been 106 so far and will be near that. And then by the end of the work week, the ridge shifts enough to allow a weak front. What does this do for Friday? Brings in a few more clouds, drops our temperature maybe 2 or 3 degrees, and at best, a low shower chance. 10, if we can squeeze out 20%, I'd be surprised, and I think that the better chance for that would be south and east only. So this front is not cooling us off, not bringing enough rain to help out whatsoever. This morning, skies are clear, mainly sunny, pretty much everywhere. We range from mid-70s to mid-80s. 73 is one of the cooler spots at Cedar Creek Reservoir. Currently, winds are out of the southwest, light, about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And thanks to this ridge still in place, no wet weather heading our way. It all wraps around it. And there are still some strong storms moving through the central plains, but that's where that activity will stay. So we are not the only ones. Thanks to this ridge, not only the state of Texas with the triple digits, it'll be up to 105 today in Wichita. And then notice where those clouds are in the storms. Temperatures a little more tolerable in Omaha, 85 today, 82 in Minneapolis, so those folks quite lucky. Our lows are in the 80s, so it's not going to really change a whole lot. I'm going 106 again today, but 104 to 106, pretty typical from Mansfield to Denton, McKinney. Same goes for areas like Bonham and Paris, Greenville up to about 105 today. Areas to our south have a heat advisory. The reason why, your high's closer to 103 instead of that 105 or above. Either way, though, I've got triple digits area-wide. No changes in this forecast. And with the relatively lower humidity levels, it'll feel only a couple degrees higher than actual temperatures. Still in the heat warning criteria. We'll likely see another one get issued tomorrow, maybe even Thursday too. Heat advisories at least will be likely after that. So at this point, little to no rainfall, very warm mornings, dangerously hot afternoons will be the norm, not just for the rest of this week, but heading into next week as well.